Hi everybody, I'm Esme from RHC in Richmond, Minnesota. I wanted to come on today to share with you an immune boosting vitamin that will help us during this time so that we can live a little more grounded in our health and lessen fear. This will be the first video in our series of immune boosting vitamins, so be sure to subscribe to RHC Team YouTube channel and click the bell to turn on the notifications. That way you don't miss our other immune boosting suggestions. The first supplement I'll share is this Liposomal Vitamin C from DesBio. Now, we've all heard of vitamin C. It's one of the biggest immune boosters of all. And actually, a lack of vitamin C will make you more prone to getting sick. So a source of vitamin C daily is essential because your body doesn't produce or store it. This means it's really important to make sure you're at least getting the bare minimum amount for your body to function properly, and then move to boosting your immune system with additional amounts. The most common form of vitamin C is tablets or capsules, but we suggest this liposomal form for a reason. It's a liquid, not a pill. Liposomes are tiny little nano-sized bubbles that carry the vitamin C. They mimic the body's own cell membranes, and they're designed to protect the vitamin C so it can move and travel throughout the body. Liposomes also have the ability to travel through the body cells, which means that it aids and accelerates the absorption of the nutrient itself. We recommend taking a high-quality vitamin C supplement like this one in addition to proper nutrition. Vitamin C comes in many food sources. Oranges are commonly known to be sources of vitamin C, but you can also get vitamin C from spinach, kale, red and green bell peppers, strawberries, tomatoes. My favorite is Brussels sprouts. I'll leave a little recipe in the description if you want to check it out, but my favorite way to eat Brussels sprouts is to steam them, put a little bit of black cracked pepper, and then just douse it in balsamic vinegar. That is my lunch. So one thing to note is that too much vitamin C can actually loosen the stools, so it's important to consult your healthcare practitioner or reach out to us. I'll leave all of our contact information in the description. And we can definitely help you decide where to start and how this can help you individually. There's also a link in the description for a short health survey questionnaire. If you complete it, we will send you some individualized feedback on how to better your current state of being. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our RHC Team YouTube channel. It really helps us out and really doesn't affect you at all. But until next time, stay grounded in wellness and good things will happen.